All right. We are going to be solving another interesting question on determination of branch, node, and independent loop. And here is the diagram. Here is the circuit that we are asked to determine the number of branch, node, and independent loop. Please don't forget that we have a well-structured materials for electrical students, mechanical students, and civil engineering students based on any topics you want. You can place an order by clicking on the link in our bio on our YouTube channel, reaching out to us on our WhatsApp, or you can email us. You see our email there. You can email us and place an order. All right. So let's determine the number of branch of this circuit. All right. Let's start with the branch. All right. So what is a branch? A branch is a single element or any two-terminal device which can be a what? A voltage source, a current source, or what? A resistor. All right. Now, if you look at this circuit, we are having a resistor, another resistor, 2 ohms, 10 ohms, and 1 ohm. So if you count the number of elements here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it shows that we have 6 number of branches. All right, so let's go for our node. Now, a node is a connection between two or more branches. Or some textbooks say a node is a connection point. All right, so now, and I told you that don't forget that if we have a wire, a single wire, or a short circuit that is connecting two or more branches together, such node will be treated as a what? As a single node. All right, if you look at this part of this wire, that is of this short circuit, you see it's connecting 3 ohms and 5 ohms. So this part is going to be treated as a what? As a single node. And here we are going to have another node here connecting 2 ohms and 5 ohms. We are going to have another node here connecting 1 ohms, 2 ohms, and 5 ohms. We are going to have another node here connecting this and this. We are going to have another node connecting this and this. So we'll be having how many nodes? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So we are going to have 5 nodes. All right. So the independent loop, we are going to be using this formula to determine our independent loop. That is B is equals to L plus what? Plus N minus 1. So if we substitute, we are going to have 6 is equals to L plus N, 5 minus 1. So we are going to have 6 is equals to L plus what? 5 minus 1 is 4. If you make L the subject, it's going to be 6 minus what? Minus 4. And 6 minus 4 is what? Is 2. So it means the number of independent loop is what? Is 2. So here is how to go about this question. If today is your first time of coming across our content, do well to give this video a thumbs up, like, comment, and what? Subscribe. And don't forget to share with your friends who might be in need of it. And if you also want our material on this particular topic, just go to our link, our bio, click on the link to our WhatsApp, and reach out to us. You are going to have this delivered into your inbox. Stay tuned for more interesting calculations. Thanks.